Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. Yeah, still in this ongoing correction in potentially a wave 2. I still expect the price to head down to 2220 next, which is the next Fibonacci support, this golden ratio here. And I would expect it also to go below it, because typically what we want in these C waves, that the price of the C wave goes below the low of the A wave. If we zoom out a little bit, we're currently tracking here a 1-2 setup in Elliott wave, which means the trend has a good chance to continue to move to the upside, but the condition would be to hold $21.17. Now, below that level, this setup is not invalidated, so I would actually allow it to go a little bit lower potentially. I mean, let's just check on the log chart. Support is very similar. Okay, so yeah, okay, so maybe let's talk about it on the log chart. $21. $21 is key support, and as long as it is holding this level, this particular 1-2 setup is absolutely valid and also likely, and the third wave rally could start from here. Below that level, we need to reconsider the interpretation of the chart. At the moment anyway, I would still expect lower prices here currently in the very short term. We can see that because this correction isn't really complete yet. It doesn't really look complete. The expectation is that the move down here to the low of the 22nd of June was an A wave of a larger ABC, which is a corrective structure. The B wave, that's a little bit unclear at this stage. Either the B wave is still unfolding or the B wave already completed, but then it would need to confirm that by breaking below $22.20. So if the B wave is still unfolding, it might turn into a triangle. I highlighted to you here this sideways Elliott wave triangle. You can see it here. There will be a few more ups and downs if the B wave is still running. We won't really know that until we see that price is forming support in this region and will move higher and creates another lower high. So I absolutely just emphasize the potential here for an Elliott wave triangle. But if it continues to go lower as per the wave count, this should finish around the $21 level ideally, yeah? So because if we zoom in, I'm currently tracking the microstructure of this C wave. That's my primary scenario. So it's currently probably working on this third wave, the fifth wave of the third wave. Remember what we talked about of this high, a 1-2 setup, a third wave down, or actually a third of a third wave, then a fourth wave. Now the fifth wave of the larger third wave. This could be finished at some point here. It already made a lower low in line with current forecasts. This seems to be an ending diagonal in a wave 5, so it's quite messy, which is okay for a fifth wave. They often do that, where the third wave is typically quite aggressive and quite impulsive. The fifth wave starts to slow down a bit, which is what we want to see. Then at some point there should be a fourth wave and a fifth wave. So currently I assume we're still in the fifth wave. Could be nearly finished. What is a target for a fifth wave? Let's take a look at that. First way of measuring target would be to take the length of waves 1 through 3, and then we go to the high of the wave 4, and we get the 38.2 extension as a first target. That's at $22.47. I mean, it's not a super reliable target, but it's a level to watch. So that level, or just below that, we've got $22.20. These are the next levels to watch, in my opinion. Then we should get a fourth wave bounce. I can give you the resistance for the fourth wave as soon as we have the third wave complete. Same way I did it here. And it was a nice short trade area potentially. Yeah, but there isn't much more to add. So I think it still needs a couple more lows probably. And the bottom is certainly not yet in. So at least there is no evidence for it at this stage. That's my update about silver. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.